Paradise with Nicole. She is from Minnesota. Flew in all the way here for a nice 4-day cruise here on the Paradise. And are you having fun?
Yes, having a blast.
Having a blast. She said she actually likes this one better than the bigger ships.
Yeah, just kind of simple and, relaxing. Yeah.
Cool.
Having a great time.
Awesome. Now, here's the funny part. What's your favorite channel?
Party of Two cruising.
Oh my God, she did it. That's awesome. Well, she's going over to the beach for a couple of days after this, so it works out good.
Yeah.
Not enough water.
Not enough. Yeah, it's beautiful. Yes.
Well, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing.
Yes,
and have fun. You're
Glad
welcome.
to meet you guys.
Thank you. Here we are in our room. We're in G2
Great room.
on the Paradise. Great room. I mean, wake up to that every morning because we don't close the blind. Now the blinds are getting a little kind of messed up, but Terry.
But we've been gone most of the day. We just got back, so we came in to pack and just enjoy our room a little bit.
And then this happened.
No.
She goes in there to go to the bathroom.
Oh God!
That's funny. I don't care who you are. That's funny
that
right
is
there.
hilarious.
Just walked right into the wall. Stop.
You're crazy.
She's pushing me.
You're crazy.
All right, so where are we going, babe?
Hey, we're going to dinner. The ship is getting a little rocky. I will say that. But we're going to dinner. It's our last night on this cruise. We've had a great fun cruise. And dinner, we're hungry. And then we'll go play in the casino. And then we'll go to the Love and Marriage show.
Yep. If I get 300 more points, I get $300 in free play. Pretty easy to come by.
We'll see.
So we'll see.
He played enough.
All right, we'll bring you that menu right about.
Ah.
The fried green tomatoes. Angela got the frog legs. Ribbit. Oh, really? What is that?
Parched pig cheddar.
Oh, parched pig cheddar soup. Boy, easy for me to say. One of my 2 minestrones, and I went to the steakhouse tonight, so we're going to get some lamb chops here later. Babe, so you ordered a cheeseburger, right?
I did. I'm starving.
All right, show me it. Where is it?
I get you one more.
That is
Let me know, okay? Where's the beef?
Oh, God. Well, at least you got plenty of fries and a lot of makings. That's funny.
It's hilarious.
It is off the kids' menu, though.
It's a kid's burger.
It is a kids' burger. So my first entree is the Caribbean pork chop, which is excellent. I will tell you that before I cut into it. My second appetizer, because they owe me money, I got the lamb chops from the steakhouse. Yummy, yummy. Let's see. Oh yeah, those look good. They're actually meatier than the other ones are. Terry got the bubbaloo cake. I got the bubbaloo cake. Melinda got sherbet. And Angela picked all her stuff up and got the bubbaloo cake.
Gluten-free.
Gluten-free. All right, here we go.
Guys, look who we ran into.
Hey, this is Julie, and I just have to tell y'all that I love watching you. You are so awesome.
Thank you.
Party of Two cruising.
And where are you from, Julie?
I'm from Georgia.
Oh, nice.
Yeah,
Thank you for watching our channel.
I
The real
love
question
y'all.
is, did you subscribe?
I don't know if I've subscribed yet,
Subscribe.
but I will.
All right.
Thank you, Julie.
Well, thank you.
Thank you.
Bye. Okay, where are we going?
We're not going. We're here. We're at the comedy show, and the guy's name is Han, H-A-N-M, or something like that. We'll let you know.
It's something like that.
It's like that. I'll let you know.
All right, we'll bring it. Well, we can't bring it to you, but we'll let you know if he's funny or not.
Yeah, there you go. No, we're not going. We're already here. We're at the Love and Marriage show. It's always one of my favorites, so I hope it's good tonight. There's a lot more people in here than I thought there would be, so that's good.
Pretty crowded.
So we're ready to get some laughs in.
All right. We'll see chocolate martini time after this.
Tarzan, where is my Tarzan? And then your Tarzan is going to answer you with a and rescue you as manly as they can. Okay. Now we're going to go one at a time. We are looking for the most dramatic performances, the most displays of love. Now please don't do anything dramatic that's going to end up in medical on the last night of your cruise. Okay, be careful. We're going to start over here with this couple. Jane, are you ready? As loud as you can so everyone can hear you. Go for it.
Tarzan! Tarzan! Where's my man?
That was a very fine start. Do any couples want to sit down now? I'm just joking, that was amazing. All right, next couple behind you. No pressure. Jane, are you ready? Careful of the drinks. Here we go, as loud as you can.
Tarzan! Tarzan! Where's my Tarzan?
Oh, very nice. All right, stay where you are. You're still in contention. Okay, apparently this couple are next and they're being filmed for Instagram. Okay, here we go. Down here at the front, go for it.
Tarzan! Tarzan! Where's my Tarzan?
They all just sat down. I think you're in the lead. Okay. Although I do think that's what you get if you order Magic Mike from Wish.com. Magic Mick over here. Excellent. Magic Matt. Excellent. Okay, excellent. You're currently in the lead now. I'm a bit worried because I don't want to ask our couples to top that because I don't want you to take anything else off. Okay. But please don't take anything else off. I'm going to come to this couple here at the front. Are you ready? Give it everything you've got. Go for it.
Tarzan! Tarzan! Where's my Tarzan?
Well, that's done. Oi, oi, put it in. They've been there since bingo. All right, go on.
Tarzan! Tarzan! Where's my Tarzan?
Okay. Very nice. Give them a massive round. With our veteran couple, we will call them. Let's find out. What is your name and where are you from?
My name is Frances Rogers and I'm from Holiday, Florida.
Francis, my favourite set of couples and my favourite audience because you was just so wonderful. Give yourselves a massive round of applause and give our couples a massive round of applause. I have got a little bit of something for all three of our couples. Please give our...
Good evening.
It's late, and we're doing our closing video for our last night on this cruise, which is kind of sad because we've had so much fun.
We have had fun.
We have fun, but I am very tired right now.
Me too.
So, for some reason, my eyes are getting very heavy. We just came out of the Love and Marriage show, which was really good. I love my love.
It was funny. It always is.
He's so fun. And he gets me a chocolate martini every night.
Every night. Almost every night.
Ooh.
So anyway,
Ooh, it's cold.
so last night on this cruise, April 11th
I
is the
just
next
said
one.
that.
I got it. April 11th is the next one on the Enchantment of the Seas for a 5-night. Costa Maya. And guess where? Say it, babe.
My favorite place, Cozumel.
Cozumel. For
We'll
the
be back.
65th time.
I love Cozumel.
All right. So anyway, we will see you on the next one.
Good night.
Good night.
From
Say bye.
party to cruising. Cheers.
Oh, and happy to the people we saw on here, too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Cheers.
You saw it. All right.
Bye-bye.
See ya.